Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be converting metric units of weight. And in the metric system, the base unit for weight is grams. So under the base unit, you'll see grams. So if you remember, King Henry died and usually drinking chocolate milk. The letters that are in those words, that start those words, all correlate with the prefix for metric units of weight. So it would be kilogram, hectogram, decagram, the base unit grams, decigram, centigram, milligram. So what we do is we find the unit that we're in. So in number one, we have 14 grams, and I want to know how many kilograms. So if I start in grams, that'd be right here. I would need to go 1, 2, 3 to the left to get to kilograms. So I locate the decimal, it would be right here. Now I'll go 1, 2, 3 to get to kilograms. So 14 grams would be 0.014 kilograms. Problem 2. I have 1 and 532 thousandths kilograms. I don't know how many grams. So I'm going from kilograms to grams. So I start at kilograms. 1, 2, 3 to the right. So here's my decimal. 1, 2, 3 to the right. So 1 and 532 thousandths kilograms would be 1,532 grams. Lastly, I have 158 centigrams, and I want to know how many grams. So centigrams, C for centi is here. I would go 1, 2 to the left. So I would locate the decimal and go 1, 2 to the left. So it would be 1 and 58 hundredths grams. Thanks, have a great day, and please let me know if you have any questions.